¿Cómo andan? Bienvenidos a un nuevo video del canal, espero que del otro lado se encuentren muy pero muy bien. Como ya deben saber, mi nombre es Gabriel y hoy les traigo el unboxing de este teclado, este hermoso teclado. Un teclado en formato tingless de la marca Logitech, el K835. Quiero agradecer a la gente de Anyway que nos cedió el producto para poder analizarlo. Si quieren saber más de la empresa, link acá abajo en la descripción del video. Próximamente se viene la review y se vienen muchos otros videos más. Estamos utilizando mucho el formato short, así que siempre estén atentos al canal. Sin más preámbulos, arranquemos.
I've got an itch I can't scratch, I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see. Everybody come here, gather round, welcome to the freak show, the best in town. What the hell's wrong with me? I don't get along with anybody, honestly. I've been living in my own head constantly, thoughts jumbled round, think I need a new lobotomy. Wait, all these thoughts are too negative, I don't wanna get lost in the sedative. Gotta show them what I got, I'm competitive. You know I'm about to go off, I won't let them win, I'll take a stab. I wanna chase a bag, I wanna weigh, I can change all the things I lack. I gotta face the facts, I got a taste in that. Got me obsessed with the rest, I got an itch to scratch. I'll give up everything. If I could see my dreams, I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what a reality. Don't let go. I'll make things right. 'Cause I'll do anything to make what a reality.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this. I just wanna break these chains. Always asking for greatness, true to myself, I never fake it. Seen too many once that it's so they get famous. And when I say the truth, most really can't take it. In spite of everything I've been through, I'ma make it. Fake friends, but